Shout out to all my fans. So today is our hair care day. I'm gonna show you how to transform your wig from this to this. Okay, from this to this. So please, if you want to know how I'm gonna transform this wig, keep watching.
This ain't Texas. Ain't no hope.
I love being your love.
This is definitely a curly wig. This is a curly wig, which you see me doing this right now. Okay, you must have seen this wig in lots and lots of my videos, and I'm gonna show you how to transform it. Okay, so if you also want a wig that's like this, or you want the hair, you want the bundles, you can inbox me or text me just to show you that my hairs are really very good hairs. I do sell good hairs and I sell good wigs as well. So this wig has been trending. It's been with me for almost 2 years and you don't want to miss the transformation. So I'm gonna show you how to transform it from afro to curly. Keep watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do go ahead, subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and tell me how you transform your wigs. Until then, let's go.
So guys, let me go ahead to tell you and show you the ingredients that I use. So I use L'Oreal shampoo. Yeah, this is L'Oreal shampoo. This is not a paid ad, so I went ahead to use L'Oreal shampoo, the Chinese version anyway, but still L'Oreal. And then I went ahead to buy some other ingredients which I used alongside with it. So this is the conditioner, hair conditioner. You can see this is also a shampoo and a conditioner together. It's very soft, really great. Rejoice. And this is the Mao towel. Yeah, that blue substance there, that blue liquid is for the curly hair as well. And this is also another conditioner. Like there are two colors, right? This is another conditioner that I love using. So these are them, and this is for our curly hair. This is when, anyways, you see when I'll use the blue small substance or products once you keep watching the video. So please stay tuned, and I'll go ahead to put in my shampoo into my bucket, and that's it. And so I'm steeping the hair. Please take note, steep your hair into the shampoo. You can see that that's the wig there. I'm steeping it. Steep it like your clothes, you know, steep it like the clothes you want to wash. So I steep it in here and let it be for about 30 minutes. Okay, let it be there for 30 minutes, just so everything, oil and every other bacteria or dirt moves out. And after I'm done steeping, I'll go ahead to start washing. Remember, you have to start washing your hair. So I wash with the conditioner. I don't wash with the shampoo, please. I already steeped it with the shampoo here and washed it a little bit. But now I'm coming back to use my conditioner, my hair conditioner. I'm using the blue one. It helps if you have dandruff or if your hair is not that good enough, your scalp is not good, you wash it. Helps for the scalp. So I'm going ahead to wash it. You can see how I'm really washing. You need a toothbrush. Make sure you brush that part, yeah, the lace. Okay, and I'm going ahead to put water. This is not hot water, please. This is just normal temperature water. Okay, so you go ahead to brush. You need your brush. Make sure that you brush as you're washing. So once you apply your hair conditioner there, it really softens your hair and it brings out the curls. Okay, and so you can see what I'm doing. Please follow the process. You need to put a lot of moisturizer and hair conditioner, please, to moisturize your hair, to moisturize your wig. You know, it looks like you're washing your hair. This is the exact process I use when washing my hair. Please wash your wigs the way you wash your hair. So you can take a look. Be very generous with everything. Be generous with your conditioner, your leave-in conditioner, your normal conditioner. Just be generous with it. So I'm going ahead to use the first, and so this is how it turns out to be. I moisturized it for a very long time, and while trying to comb and distinct the curls, I go ahead with the blue conditioner, please take note. I'm going ahead with two. If you do not have to just use one, that's okay for you, but I want to blend both because the blue one is really soft. I feel like it's really more moist than the yellow one. Okay, so just go ahead, keep washing, keep moisturizing the hair, distinguish the curls. You can see that the curls are gradually coming back, and don't be scared to comb it. It's a curly hair, yes, but you must comb it in order to bring out the curls back the way they were, right? So don't be scared to comb it. Just keep making sure that you comb. The more you keep combing it in this process, the more the curls turn out to be really great and really distinct. So use your fingers at this point to also do that. And I'm done with it, and I'm putting it in a plastic wrap. Okay, wrap it. I wrapped it and I put it in the microwave just for maybe 1 minute, or if you do not have a microwave, just let it be there for about 30 to 1 more hour. And so you can see that everything is set. You can see the difference, right? Still go ahead to wash again. You can see, take out all the hair conditioner on it, wash properly, and you can see that the curls are popping. See, my wig is back. Okay, take a look at it. My wig is totally back to normal. You can see the curls. I don't need to tell you, you can see everything there. It's not magic, it's just your patience and the right products to use when washing. So this is it. If you are in China, I can tell you where to get these products, okay? But if you're not, just make sure you get yourself some conditioners and some shampoo to make sure your hair or your curly hair looks great. And so I went ahead to add the curly gel. Okay, it's not a gel anyway, it's a moisturizer, curly moisturizer. You know, I don't know how to call it in Chinese, yeah, but it's used for curly hair. That's what I was told. You know, I deliberately stepped on this, and they told me that it works best for curly hair, so I used it on my wig and it was super great. Trust me, it was super great. And so guys, this really shaped my hair so badly. It shaped my wig so badly, and I can tell you I'm super happy that I used it and that I have been using it. So if you go to the salon or if you go to the supermarket, you could actually get something like this. Okay, it might not be the same brand, but it will be something you love for curly hair, and please do not take that for granted. So take a look at the curls. Oh my goodness, these curls are just everything. Remember, I was so scared to wash my curly hair before, my curly wig before, but immediately I tried this and it works so well on my hair. I will trust me, the joy was so full, and you should do same. Just do same. You have to save some money, okay? So save some money, do it by yourself, and just remember that you're taking care of your real hair. Don't consider this as a wig, okay? So I just kept applying this curly lotion on my hair, just making sure that the wig gets its curls back. And guys, take a look. And you see, remember that I try to distinguish, like to part the hair again, okay? Just so this is the moment where you part the hair so that the lines won't get lost. So just pay attention and make sure that, yeah, you're doing the right thing at the right time, okay? And so just take a look, guys. Just take a look. Just keep adding as much as you want, okay? I just felt like doing it on and on until there's no strand left untouched, okay? So you should do same. So keep watching, guys. Okay, that's it. And last but not the least, so after that, I went ahead to apply my mousse. Yeah, I went ahead to apply my mousse. Make sure you also have a mousse, okay? Apply your mousse and make sure you set it aside, okay? I applied my mousse, just making sure everything was intact. Yeah, the mousse is also going to help to make sure that the curls don't depart from itself, right? They're going to distinct the curls as well. So I applied my mousse as much as I could. Yeah, so you can see, you should do same, please just do same. And while doing that, I was taking time to also pat the hair, so you should do same. Okay, keep watching. So fam, at this point I was done with the mousse, and you can see that everything is being distinct. I love the outcome of it, and I hope you enjoyed every process of this video or of me washing this hair. You should do same, and this is the finished process. This is the finished process, guys. So I went ahead to wash other wigs. I'm gonna upload the videos soon. Just take a look at the wig. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and tell me if you're gonna wash your wig, okay? Tell me. Until then, please enjoy this video and keep watching more videos from me. All right, if you love such content, please just let me know, and I will do my best to keep uploading, okay? All right guys, from my love to yours, enjoy the video. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas in advance, and let's stay tuned to more Christmas videos. All right guys, until then, bye.